Okay, y'all, I wasn't going to release this, but y'all convinced me, and I was using someone else's tool, but I ended up wanting to have some very specific features and ended up making my own. And that is the PnL Brands, as we're calling it. So this is a new trading ranch indicator for NinjaTrader that will put your PnL calculations in points and or currency on your chart on your actual order lines. And I'll show you what that looks like. It's really handy, especially if you're a prop trader and you need to really kind of make sure that you're not missing out on getting anything passed or anything like that. So I've gone ahead and added it to my chart, but I'll go back into the settings so you can see what this looks like. When you have it added to your chart at first, you don't see anything special. You just see the little PnL brand. So here's the settings. And our indicators have you enter your license key. So you'll get this from bullbarbie.com. This is a free indicator, so you get a free license key for this one. And you can also change a bunch of the different things like the fill colors. I keep it on transparent, but I know with different chart colors, you might want to have a fill color and then a text color. You can also decide if you want it to be in points or currency or both. I'll go ahead and select both so you can see what this looks like. And I'm going to select a sim account so we can put an order on. This is ES. I'm going to just throw out a one-to-one $500 strategy. So I just went short in my sim account for the S&P 500. We have the PnL brands on there. So my chart is going to get branded with what my potential PnL would be. This is a $500 to $500 ATM bracket. 10 points, 10 points. I like to use this one when I am just throwing a one lot out and then I want to really fine tune where my target and my stop loss could be. But you can see after we get a little update, it might take it a second, but then it's going to update what your potential profit and loss could be at these different spots. I like this to be really clean to where I can see my candlesticks through, but now you can see why we have the option in there if you want a background on this. And then you can also pick, I usually don't have the dollar amount shown on here because it messes with my head a little bit. I like to calculate things in points instead of money. And so I'm looking more at the negative 14 points and the plus 24 points. We do have the decimals in here, so you can go down to the quarter tick as well. It's just a really simple tool. That's why we're putting it out there for free. I want all of our traders to be able to use this. I think it's really useful, and you can too. So again, you can find this at bullbarbie.com. I am a NinjaTrader developer. This is for NinjaTrader. If you want to check them out, you can download it for free at bullbarbie.link/ninja. If you want to talk about it more, come join us in the Trading Ranch. I will link our Discord as well. All right. Love you. Bye.